Turned out pretty good so far. I went ahead and used regular screws, decking screws, in the corners, all four corners, there, and there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put these really nice barbs. They're like a 1 inch nail. I got a matching color for the panel. So we're going to bang these in around here on the outside edge a little bit, and we'll be ready to put her in. Got everything marked right here. And that's pretty good. Now we'll get one in the corner, and I'll just keep putting these in until we're done. Here's a nice way to do it. It makes it nice and strong. Let's get the wood. Okay, well, we'll just keep nailing these up. Should be ready to go. Okay, well, we've got the side here done pretty much. We just got to put the sheeting on this side. I went ahead and used the regular styrofoam insulation instead of that roll. So right now we're starting on the front end. This whole piece on the front was bad, so we're getting that rebuilt right now, and then I'm going to move to the other side over there, and then we'll end up getting this top up to the roof. Right now this is part of the front that I'm working on. That'll be the front on the inside. Just getting her all framed out. Put some insulation in there and end up putting that up. So that's where we're at now. Now this is the front of the camper, right above the cab. Got to have this little thing built here for the tin. So I'm just trying to finish putting the front of this together. Got new rosewood board on the inside. I framed it out, glued it, stapled it, stained it, insulated it, and now I'm just screwing it all together. Yeah, pretty good, good and solid. And this must be a reinforcement for the other tin that goes over. It's kind of a reinforcement to help keep it strengthened. And I'm not only going to insulate it here, but when I get this on, I think I'll stuff this full of insulation underneath too, since I got some left over. Okay, we've got her pretty much done here. I got my buddy Jeff over here today. Say hi, Jeff. Hi. And basically we got her pretty much done here. End to end, insulated, screwed, glued. I'm going to restain the inside again. Here's the back side. This is on the inside, above the cab, of course.
Yeah.
And we're just coming right along. I guess I'll show you. That goes right in here. We go right here, all the way across, up to about here. And once I get that put in place, then I'll have to probably start on this piece up here and redo that. And then proceed to the other side. So that's my working project. It's coming along. Okay. And my dog. Say hi, dog. Yeah. Yeah, it's a rabbit. Okay, we've got the front lower part set up in place. I got her screwed in like a couple places just to hold it up there, but it's turning out pretty good. Here's what the inside looks like. Coming along. As you can see, the bed turned out really good. Sidewall. There's the front panel, lower. Right now I'm going to go ahead and proceed to take that side off so I can replace that. There's the outside. I still got to put some plastic on here when I finalize it. And then we'll go from there. And like I said, right now I'm gonna go ahead and take this side off here. I started pulling the staples out. I'm gonna have to take it off. Oh, about back to there, just enough so I can get this panel, the sidewall here off. And once we get that off, should be no problem. Then I'll rebuild it and put it up. That's where we're at. This bottom's gonna fit pretty good. Go right up there, and then the tin fits right in there. So far so good. Looks pretty good. The corners are matching up really nice here. All the way down, the edges. Looking good. Alright, well, we're getting the driver's side now. Getting her all cut out, glued, screwed. Over here, kind of hard to see it, but maybe if I sit over here. They're all cut out, stained, glued. Just letting her all dry out. All the clamps I got on it. I got clamps all over the place. About every 6 inches. It's coming along. This is the front. And that's the other side. The driver's side. As you can see. And I had to remove the paneling on this whole side here to be able to get to the front. That's okay. Once I get the driver's side done, then I'm going to start on this top. It's got some bad spots there. A bad spot up in here. And I'll get that done. See how it's bowed. I'll replace that wood. But it's coming right along. And then I got it up here. Looks pretty good. Left that out till I get done screwing it in. Here's what part of it looks like. As you can see, trying to keep it all clean, keep it covered. And that's the name of that. They're braced off the roof. Okay. It's going to look pretty nice when it's done. All this stuff will come back up here and be stapled up here for the headliner. And up here comes up and stapled up for the headliner. Okay. Alright, this is Buffalo Bob here again. Say howdy. Working on my motorhome. I went ahead and got the top of the bunk ripped up here, braced up a little bit. I got it figured out where I'm going to splice the plywood right on that seam at the end of the bunk or the end of the cab. Be a pretty nice spot for splicing it together. And I gotta get one more sheet, but we're gonna do the whole top here and the rosewood. And so that's where we're at now. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and stain the rosewood and get it drying overnight. And then this is the plywood that I picked up today. I'm gonna stain that too. That goes over the plywood up here on the roof. So that's where we're at now. We'll just keep going. I think that's as far back as I'm going to have to go. The rest of it looks pretty darn good. So we'll get this whole front done. Now I started getting the screws on the side here. I put them about, I don't know, every 6 to 8 inches. Whatever looked good. So those are screwed in. I got my screws in the corners done. I got them down here, and then one up here in the corner. And then after I get those boards stained, then I'm going to come back here and go ahead and screw the rest of this in at the bottom all the way across. And then probably get them 2 screws on the end. And finish screwing the bottom of the driver's panel. And then that'll be completely done. I think what I'm going to do too, once I get it all in place and I'm ready to finalize it, I'm going to cover this thing with a sheet of plastic. And I'm just going to wrap it up the side, over the top, and down the other side. And then undertuck a little piece of plastic that goes down over here with the tin on it and everything. I'm going to make sure this thing is sealed, sealed, sealed. When I'm done, there ain't no way it's going to leak. Alright, well, I'm just going to go ahead and stain this up. We got the same clear stain that I used before. Pretty good stuff. You can see it's got a natural color. The natural. So that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, so I'll get back with you then.